Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see, we'll be immediately transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 46 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can also check the unlocks and the notifications count, and if you want to check some further details, you can tap either inside the graph, and here we've got the dashboard. For the screen time, we can change it to notifications received and times opened, and under it we've got the list of apps with a specific time you've spent on them. Or the second way is to type directly on the app, so the settings or the others, in my case of course. Just tap on it, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time tightly connected with this app. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.